Hello friends, this is itworldstrends.webs.com. We have seen the 3 HTML tutorial in which we have learned text editing commands, text formatting commands and all this thing. So today we are going to do something different than the text and something different than the windows. Okay, so we are going to working with the color and background to the text or a window. So whenever we are working with the color and images, there are three methods to give a color to a window in the body, that is within a body of a HTML, that is body of a HTML page. So for this tutorial we just going to prepare a new HTML file. So as you know that preparing a HTML notepad HTML file is you have to go in the notepad, open notepad, just type in the notepad the basic HTML code, that is opening and opening, closing of HTML, head tag, open and close of head tag, title, anything you want, color and images. So close title, open body tag, close body tag. So whenever we are working with the color, we want to include the body tag as well as we have to write the code something like this, that is bg color is equal to red. So whenever you are writing that bg color in the body, it will appear the red color to fool the body, to full colored with the body, that is red color. So there are three types basically to define a color. So first type is just a bg color is equal to red. The second is a bg color is equal to, in quotation we have to write the hexadecimal corresponding hexadecimal code, and RGB, that is 3 RGB, the value of three colors. So there are three techniques to write the code for a bg color. So let's get try this out. So go to the body, type bg, sorry, color is equal to yellow. Type something in this body. This is color full tutorial. Just go to the file and save the file in anywhere. I have created a folder for that. So HTML tutorial, save the file color.html. So save the file. Now go to the folder, open that file, and you can see the color of the page is yellow. So this is how the working of HTML color. So there are three ways. This is the first way we have implemented. The second way we can write as bg color. In quotation we can write the hexadecimal code, that is hash ff00 ff, anything you want. So this is a red color, that is we are putting a R, G and P. So G and P, that is green and blue, has a 0 value, and red has the highest value, so we will get the color as a red. So save the file, go to the browser and press F5. So this is a red color, you can get the color from this. So this is all about the hexadecimal representation of color. So next technique to write the color is simply write the RGB and the color, that is value of the color. So when you include 0 is it will not include that color. So we have include a 255, that is in a G, so it will be a green color, so it will be a green. So okay, so save file, go to the browser, press F5. So it's a blue. So according to the ranges it will change the color of the pages. So when you include anything within the number and go to the browser, press F5, it will change according to that. Okay, so this is how we working with the color. There are three techniques we can get. That is, the first technique is using a BG color is equal to red, that is normal English text, using a hexadecimal code, or using a RGB and the corresponding values. The next we are going to watch is that using images as a background to the pages. So there is the same syntax for that, but we have to include in the body that its background is equal to the URL of the images. So just implement this, that is background is equal to the image URL. So just quickly go to your picture folder, copy any images what you want to be show, and paste it over your folder where you have saved the HTML file, that is desert.jpg. If you are saving in another path, then you have to give the full path within the URL. So whenever we are including in the same folder, you don't have to give the path, you have to give simply the file name, that is desert.jpg. So whenever we include this, just save the file, go to the browser and just press F5. So here is the image, nice looking image. We can use this to give right effect to the website. So here are the two basic and useful commands, that is BG color and background. Okay, so this is all about this tutorial representing a color and images within the website. So in the next tutorial we will see the working with the fonts, font family, font size, and many more about font. Okay, so next tutorial. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, thanks for watching. Goodbye.